Right, this one's going to be a little bit quicker. So how do we take the how do we take the derivative of logs of other bases besides e, right? Good question. So here it is, d dx of log base a of x. We're going to need to remember one of our properties of logs. This is one of those properties that a lot of you, not to rag on you, I get it, like, you've got a fancy calculator, use it, but this is one of those properties that you're like, why do I need to know that? My calculator does it for me. So, what is that property? Wow, it's quiet. All I hear is the washing machine. Change of base is what we need. So, let's say y equals log base a of x. Then I can say y equals ln of x over ln of a. Change of base. Nailed it. Take the derivative, but remember, natural log of a is a constant. So do we do the quotient rule? No, we don't. What do we do? Well, we just take the derivative of the natural log of x, and then the constant just stays there. Remember, you can even think of this. You don't have to, but this is the natural log of a. 1 over the natural log of a times the natural log of x. This all is just a constant. So what's the derivative of the natural log of x? 1 over x. So that's our derivative. Or, a different way to write it, a little bit cleaner maybe. There you go. That's the derivative of a log function, not base e. So, what we just saw, d dx of log base a of x is 1 over x ln of a. That's what we just saw. What if it's not just x? Great question. Well, we already know the answer because we've been doing this now for a couple of days. d dx of log base a of u is going to be 1 over u ln of a du dx. You can prove this to yourself by just making up any log function, taking the derivative, using the change of base. I want you to try this one on your own. Find the derivative of f of x equals log base 2 of x to the fourth plus 1. Pause the video, unpause when you're ready to check. Here we have f prime of x equals 4x cubed over x to the fourth plus 1 times the natural log of 2. Kind of going through what that is. Well, this is, your standard 1 over the function you're taking the log of times the natural log of the base of the log function. And then the numerator is the derivative of what you were taking the log of. So the derivative of x to the fourth plus 1 is 4x cubed. That's it. So derivatives of logs of other bases are derived using the change of base formula. If you forget that, if you forget how to find the derivative of another log, use the change of base formula. And it's very easy to derive. However, you need to know the change of base formula. Your calculator cannot do this for you, or at least the calculators that I'm going to allow you to use.